Hi everyone, I am here at the 96th Street. This is the last stop of the Q train. So as you can see guys, the letters that says 2nd Avenue Subway. And if you'll notice, there's no, only few passengers are here because it's Sunday afternoon, and there's no, most of the offices here in Manhattan are closed, so that's why it's less passengers. And right now I'm just exploring this station. As you can see, there's a Q letter, so it means like Q train. And right now I am going back to Times Square. I am going to ride the Q train again. It's colorful station, and it's like a brand new. I think this is like new renovated station, that's why it's clean. Look at that. The Q train just waiting for the time to go, so I'm still exploring this place. The other door is still closed, and it's gonna open it all soon when it's leaving. So we will just while they're still waiting, I'll just explore my seconds here. So this is the Q train going back to Times Square. Look at that. And the elevator. Okay, I'm going back to the train now, and hope you guys like our video. Next time, Ethan and I are going to explore more of the train here in Manhattan, New York. See you. Bye.